What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today I am happy to announce the return of altcoins and the strengthening of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Now, both the CBOE and the CME have launched their futures contracts, and Bitcoin itself has remained unscathed and very strong. And since Bitcoin has barely moved and has been moving in a very tight range, altcoins have had the chance to keep up or outperform Bitcoin in Satoshi value. And that's the time when we're most happy, when we're making a nice return on our Bitcoin, not on our USD value, but on our Bitcoin value. So this is a trade that we are in. We've been in this trade. There's no reason to close the trade. All right. Before we go on, please check the links in the description below. We have the links to the Telegram group. We also have the links to the Discord group. The Discord group is new. We're building the Discord out, and I think it's a little bit more organized. So I'm trying to build that as well. They'll both still be live, but link in the description to both of those below. ChaseThatCoinTrading.com is on the way. The first video for the training course is completed, and if you would like early access to that, please come into the Telegram group or the Discord and bring it to my attention. Okay, so this is a trade we're in. We're beating Bitcoin out. There's no reason to close this. All right, so if you got in this trade with me, you're beating Bitcoin by 40% right now. At one point, we were beating Bitcoin by 70%. All right, so I break it down in detail. Okay, so you might ask, why am I explaining this to you? Is this a commercial? No, I'm trying to bring to your attention that there's two ways that you're going to make a killing in this market. Right now, one of the ways is by buying a really good altcoin and at a good point and holding it till it increases in value. Another way is to trade altcoins that have good potential, that are at very good points in the market, and take advantage of those. I built a trading style around this, and like I said, if you want early access to this, please come to the Telegram group or the Discord group, or email me chasethatcoin@gmail.com, and you can get early access before the site launches. So let's take a look at Bitcoin USD really quickly, because this is what's going to shape the market. Now, Bitcoin is and has been for some time still at a point where it could break out, and we could see a lot of upside. But Bitcoin has struggled, and we have confirmation that we may very well see some pullback within Bitcoin. Now, as far as Bitcoin, I want to say that around 17,000, so around where I have my ray at, there is an established level on a lower time frame. So this was established from the hourly time frame. There is a level of support that has been established here for Bitcoin, and I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some slight pullback into here, or maybe an approach before we consolidated or ranged between 17,000 and close to 20. So I want to wrap this video up by saying, if you just got into cryptocurrency, it is not too late. You actually came in a really good time. Yes, you missed some of the early first big moves, but the places where these moves were created, which is the altcoin market, is thriving, and it's ready to make a new all-time high in many of these different altcoins. Now, you can take advantage of this by buying an altcoin and holding it at a good point. So there's two things. You have to find a good project, and then you have to hope it's at a good point and it's not at a really high point already. So that could be a little bit difficult. Or you can look for altcoins that are at good spots and have some really good upside. This, in my opinion, is easier to learn how to do. Simply, and especially if you have a system and someone to help you along the way. So that's what I designed. Be on the lookout for that. We're gonna bring the new year in right. If you want early access to that, please bring that to my attention by going to the links in the description below, which is the Telegram group. You can @ me or message me on there, or Discord. All right, guys. So you are not too late. It is the perfect timing. There's a lot more money to be made. Right now is the perfect time to learn a skill and to get into a market, which is cryptocurrency, and trading cryptocurrencies to be specific, and you could trade other things as well. But trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, it's the perfect time to change your life for the better. So hopefully, albeit you'll find me of some kind of help in your cryptocurrency journey, and you'll like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, so you can be here when we do these videos. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, keep chasing that coin. Peace.